Mind the yellow line, please.
The London Underground does not allow snoring on the train. No snoring on the train. No snoring on the train. He's out for the count, mate. He's not waking up.
I don't think World War III will wake him up.
The London Underground does not allow drinking alcohol on the train. No cans of Stella. No cans of Stella Artois on the train. And furry boots, blonde hair, yeah. Hide it in your bag, because I'm watching you. I'm literally watching you. She's looking everywhere, I'm here. Hello, hello.
Everyone's baiting me out today, man. Bloody hell. First it was her, now it was you.
Social media, innit?
Mind the gap.